Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours and days. So let me show you guys. As you know, we are trading within this symmetrical triangle, yeah? And basically, if you're not in a trade right now, we are waiting for a breakout, okay, to enter a trade. If you also want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? So let me show you guys. First of all, if we hit the breakout target, I will show you can see this here we had this huge wick yesterday from 31,000 down to 29,500 because of this. You know, BlackRock filed for an ETF for Bitcoin, and the SEC said yesterday the Bitcoin ETF filings are inadequate. So this caused this huge wick down here. So it's always good to not be, let's say, in over leveraged positions. That means better to deposit more on the platforms like Bybit or, for example, Bitget, and that you don't use, let's say, crazy leverage of 70x or so, okay? Then you will not get liquidated in a move like this, okay? So what can we expect now? We are basically waiting just for a breakout, yeah? And as I said in the last video, we need at least, if you want to play it safe, a 4-hourly close out of this triangle, okay? And the breakout target would be, let me show you guys here. The breakout target would be, that's how we measure it. If you break out to the upside here, yeah, then the breakout target would be up here at about $32,900, yeah. And basically, it's more likely that we have a breakout to the upside because a symmetrical triangle is basically a continuation pattern. And if you have a move in the triangle from the downside, that means moving up here in the triangle, that means that it's more likely also to break out to the upside, okay? So if you have a 4-hourly close down up here, you can enter a long trade. And on the other hand, if you would break down here, let's say in about this range here, then it would be actually with perfect confluence at the support zone, support level here at $27,900. 4-hourly close, because you see this was just a week and then we got back in the triangle again. So let's say 4-hourly close to play it safe, then you can enter a short position, and the target would be down here in perfect confluence at about $27,900, okay? Other side, if you go up here, I showed you before. So basically, if you're not in a trade right now, you just wait and then just react to what the market shows us. Ethereum, let me show you Ethereum, guys. Basically, if you watched my last videos, I said we can enter long position here because first of all we have the support of the red line plus the support at the blue line at about $1,815. If you would have entered the long position here, guys, then you would have a nice profit now. Let me show you guys. You would have a profit of about 5.5%. That means, for example, if you would have a $100,000 position, you would have a profit of $5,500 now, okay? That's great, guys. So basically, I also said if you want to play it safe, you could also just enter here. And basically, the breakout target, we already reached the breakout target of this descending broadening wedge because it was up here at about $1,930. So as of right now, what can we do now? If you are in the trade, of course, it's good. You can take some profits now because we basically reached already the price target. And if you're not in a trade right now, then I would say let's wait for the next pattern to show up here because right now we have already reached this price target and we are trading around this support line right now. So I would say let's wait which pattern shows up next, and then you can enter a trade based on this, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.